From a humble beginning to becoming one of the world's wealthiest individuals, Warren Buffett imparts wisdom through his quotes. Buffett once said, "Risk comes from not knowing what you are doing." In yet another insightful statement, he advised, "It's better to hang out with people better than you. Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours, and you'll drift in that direction." Recognizing the value of investing, Buffett noted, "Price is what you pay. Value is what you get." As an advocate of long-term investments, Warren said, "If you aren't willing to own a stock for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. With simplicity at its finest, Buffett proclaims, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." As a parting shot, Buffett shared a crucial perspective. The most important investment you can make is in yourself. And so, we end our reel with Warren Buffett's wisdom, pearls of knowledge worth pondering by all, the mogul's insights for life and investments,